What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going down to southeastern Florida, West Palm Beach area. I received a video from a young lady that noticed a huge, what looked like a disc, just sitting up in the sky back on January the 10th, about 3 days ago. So I went to Zoom Earth. I did confirm something in the clouds on January 10th, as you can see right here. We're going to come back and take a much closer look at that very interesting video footage here in just a minute. In fact, it's right there, West Palm Beach, Florida. Footage sent in by Darian. Also, we're going to go over to the United Kingdom here real quick and look at what was being described as a triangle in the sky. Young lady by the name of Jane out of Telford, United Kingdom, who is a paramedic, pulled over along the side of the road after she got off work, noticed this configuration in the nighttime sky, and shared this incredible photo with me, which I'm sharing with you guys. Great observations, guys. Keep them coming. But first, here at the website, checking out the Schumann resonance, the frequency of planet Earth. Everything's pretty quiet right now. It's been like that for the past 2 or 3 days. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, see a little bit of activity through the center of the caldera and the northeast quadrant. Missing data over here in the northwest quadrant. All in all, that's about what we've been seeing for the past several months. A little bit of activity here at the Little West Thumb seismo, small earthquake activity, but that's really the only seismograph showing any type of earthquake activity. The rest of this stuff we see pretty much on a daily basis. Have another buoy in event mode off the northeastern coast of the United States, parallel with like Massachusetts, way out in the ocean. I'm going to show you exactly where it's at, right out in here. Right through here is a long line of huge underwater. They're dormant, but these things are absolutely titanic volcanoes. Big long line of them. These things are in some cases 20 miles wide. In fact, I'll measure one real quick. I did a video about these a couple of years ago. Check this out. Look how wide that volcano base is. 37 miles wide. Absolutely huge. Does this have anything to do with the buoy that's kind of bouncing right up in here? I don't think so, but then again, you never know. But that's where the buoy's active at. There's the chain of volcanoes that I just showed you, one of them having a base 37 miles wide. If you take a quick look at the water column height graph, you can see a 1 minute interval right there, that green vertical line. That means it detected something right there. More than likely that buoy detected some sort of seafloor movement right in this area here. That would be my guess. There was no tsunamis, no earthquakes in that area. More than likely some sort of seafloor movement, not necessarily related to those large underwater volcanoes, but you never know. Now I want to take you guys down to South Africa, where Nathaniel M. has shared a video with me of a spectacular roll cloud that was spanning as far as he and his friend could see in both directions, actually pointing to the east and west. And typically when you do see these things, and they're kind of rare, it's normally along a coastline, at least the ones I've seen down in the Gulf Coast area of the United States, and I've also seen one, quite large one, along the eastern seaboard of the United States, spanning in some cases several miles, like this one here, several miles long. Also very low to the ground. Very impressive roll cloud sent in by Nathaniel out of South Africa. Thank you, Nathaniel. Now I want to take you guys back down to West Palm Beach, Florida. This is dated January the 10th here at Zoom Earth, and you can see what looks like the outline of a ship parked in the sky right off of the coast of West Palm Beach, Florida. Young lady by the name of Darian noticed this unusual feature in the daytime sky, said it was very windy that day, as you're going to see in this video, and the structure in the sky, or at least the shape in the sky, never moved. In fact, it stayed stationary for a few hours. Here's the video that she shared with me.
It's a circle. It's been hovering here for a while. I took a video of it, but it was with my phone, I think, straight up and down. But here's a better view of it, or a good view of it. It's like a hole in the sky. Look at that. And the wind is blowing, but it is not really like moving its shape.
She was very mystified by this structure in the sky. What I did was took the original video and I enhanced it, didn't alter it in any way. I just adjusted the lighting and color, and I'm going to show it to you in different formats. And you're going to see this thing is quite extraordinary. It measures several miles wide. I mean, this thing was huge. And you can see the wind is blowing at times, gusting very strong. And this thing did not budge. This is one of the formats. Here's yet another one. There goes an airplane right there just for perspective purposes. That thing, according to Zoom.earth, is around 20 miles wide, and it did not move for a few hours. Get a load of that thing, would you? Look at the features here. You can see features up there that don't necessarily look like just some random hole in the clouds. There goes an airplane right there. That's the same one. This is just a different format, same video. But the airplane, you can see a little bit better in that format. This one here, I slowed down. That's original speed because you could see some different things inside what they call a hole punch cloud. But to me, this looks like something may have been parked along the coast of West Palm Beach. There goes the plane again. This is in simple black and white, and it showed up pretty good. See some features down here at the bottom. It just kind of defies, basic laws of motion. How are these things remaining stationary when it's so windy outside, and clouds and particulate matter in the sky are subject to be moved and influenced by wind that we can clearly see blowing in the video. But this thing here, according to Darian, noticed this thing for several hours in the same location along the coast of West Palm Beach, Florida on January the 10th of 2021. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomenon Photo Gallery at the website, and sometimes I'll use them in a video just like you saw right here. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.